Students, welcome back to PNMRC e-classes. Now, we will begin with the third session in continuation to the chapter Crop Production and Management. So, let's get started with the first topic of today's session, that is sowing. What is sowing? Once the soil in the field has been prepared by plowing, leveling and manuring etc., seeds of the crop can be sown in it. The process of scattering seeds or putting seeds in the ground soil for growing the crop plant is called sowing. Students, please note down this is the definition of sowing in your notebook. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds, free from infection and diseases. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yield of food grains. We can select good healthy seeds for sowing by an activity. Take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir it well. Handful का मतलब होता है एक मुट्ठी भर और stir का मतलब होता है उसको हिलाओ. Wait for some time. We will observe that most of the seeds will settle down at the bottom, whereas some seed will float on top. The seeds which sink in the bottom of the bucket are the healthy seeds. On the other hand, the seeds which float on water are the spoiled seeds. This can be explained as healthy seeds are heavy, so they sink in water. The seeds which have been partially eaten by pest or damaged by disease become hollow and light and hence float on water. The seeds may also be treated with fungicide solution before sowing to prevent the seeds-borne diseases of crop. Seeds are sown in the soil either by hands or by seed drills. Thus, there are two methods of sowing the seeds in the soil. They are sowing by hands, another one is sowing with a seed drill. The sowing of seed by hands or manually is called broadcasting. In the sowing with hands or manually, the seeds are taken in hands and gradually scattered in the entire plowed field. This method is, however, not very good because there is no proper spacing or proper depth at which the seeds are sown by hands. Moreover, the seeds scattered on the surface of the soil for sowing can be picked up and eaten by the birds. Another method of sowing seed is by seed drill. A seed drill is a long iron tube having a funnel at the top. The seed drill is tied to a back of a plow and seeds are put into the funnel of the seed drill. And the plow makes furrow in the soil. The seeds from the seed drill are gradually released and sown into the soil furrow by the plow. Thus, by using a seed drill for sowing, the seeds are sown at the correct depth and correct interval or spacing. The seeds sown with the seed drill are in a regular rows. Moreover, when the seeds are sown in furrows by seed drill, the seeds gets covered with the soil. Our next topic is adding manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. The crop plants need a number of mineral elements for their growth which they get from the soil through their roots. Now, repeated growing of crops in the same field removes a lot of precious minerals, elements, organic matter and other materials from the soil. Due to this, the soil becomes infertile after some time and the crop yield decreases. So, unless the depleted plant nutrients are put back into the soil from time to time, the growth of crop would be poor. The deficiency of plant nutrients and organic matter in the soil is made up by adding manure and fertilizer to the soil. What are chemical fertilizers? A chemical fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound containing the necessary plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium to make the soil more fertile. Some examples of fertilizer are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash and NPK. N means nitrogen, P means phosphorus, K means potassium. The chemical fertilizer have plant nutrients in a concentrated form. So they provide quick replenishment of plant nutrients in the soil and restore its fertility. Chemical fertilizers have high solubility in water, so they are easily absorbed by the plants. Chemical fertilizers are made in factories. Chemical fertilizers are easy to transport, store and handle because they comes in a bag. The excessive use of fertilizer is harmful due to following reasons. First one is the excessive use of fertilizer changes the chemical nature of soil and make the soil less fertile. Second one is the excessive use of fertilizer causes water pollution in ponds, lakes and rivers. Thank you students. Now we come to an end of this session. We will meet again in the next session.